Yeah, chat, I'm back. Raise this window up real quick. Well, I think I did a little second of not saying, I think I did a little second of not talking. Let me see what's on my mind. Something interesting, what's happening. Something always happening every day, every second, whether we know it or not. Let's see. Yeah, if I got some anime fans out there, you know, whether you watch the shows or watch the manga, me, I'm into, like, I've always been into Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball as a franchise, not just Dragon Ball Z. I'm into Bleach. I've been caught up with Bleach as far as like the first series, but now the new series. I'm mad that the previous the new episode that was supposed to come out this past Saturday at September 2nd. Yeah, man, nah. Yeah, it was the 2nd. The fact it wasn't no episode, damn. But hey, the next episode is gonna be looking even more better. So it's the price you gotta pay for wanting something worthwhile. And what I just said, y'all should think of that as like whatever you want to do in your life, because you only have one life, man. In the moments I be feeling as though damn, like everything is in place, but if you know the funds, you know, but you still have to remind yourself there's someone who's in a way worse situation than I am, you know? And at least for me, it snaps me back into reality. Hey, I gotta go hard. I have to keep going hard, man. Especially just be better, man. Excuse me. My fault. Yeah, especially just me being the man. Nothing's gonna come for me easy, man. If everything, when you think about it, if everything came easy our whole lives, I believe a lot of us would be depressed, bro. You know? I think it makes logical sense. Like, why would you be happy that you got everything easy? Like, I wouldn't. Point is, man, get the shit done. Hey, I ain't just telling y'all that, I'm telling myself that too. You know, I don't have everything, you know. I'm not saying figured out, because I have some figured out, but I don't have, my discipline has gotten way better. That's what it all boils down to, is discipline. You can have all the motivations in the world, bro, but the discipline is where it's at. Whether it's, you know, discipline of, you know, for my fellas dealing with the ladies, the ladies out there, you know, dealing with a nigga, you know, it's just that discipline of just, you feel that you need and you want better, but the action put forth, like putting forth the effort. That's all that really matters, you know. And I don't knock down anyone, but you know, you can, like, we all meant to, like, law of attraction is basically, law of attraction is what? Basically just like whatever you give back into the universe, it comes back to you, good or bad. It's no favorites. That's just how it is. That's just how it is, you know. So with that being said, you know, obviously we know not everybody is perfect, but just do the best you can. Hey, do the best that you can. Do the best that you can to be better, to do better. Choose your battles carefully. But at the same time, never back down. Keep going. Man, make this money out here. Inspire. That's the greatest thing. I mean, I don't know any other feeling, a genuine feeling that's better than helping people, you know. And I'm talking about like helping those that you can see for yourself that they doing something for themselves as well, not just relying on you to help them. Hell no, we won't do that. If a motherfucker expect you to help them and they don't do anything to meet you halfway, so to speak, man, you are not. I mean, you're not entitled to or obligated to help anybody, but with them individuals, hell no, hell no, no. You only help those that you can see that's helping themselves, and if they're willing to listen, you know, then you did you did an amazing job. And then, man, they say you help one person, you help 1,000 more. You know, and do it out of the heart. And this is my first time even speaking about this, even like on the internet thing. But I'm gonna just say this: I've always been helping people in my own way. Somebody on the streets, you know what I'm saying? Somebody on the streets, they can, like, we just say the homeless person, man. Like yesterday, I buy me like a little snack, man. And I'm heading down to the city. I see this homeless man, and some just told me to be like, man, give this dude this snack, man. I can always get one. I don't know when the next time I don't know when he ever gonna get one. Like purchase one on his own, just to, you know. I raise my window down. I'm just like, hey, bro, I don't have no cash on me, but hey, I'll give you this. And he was like, man, I appreciate it, bro. You know what I'm saying? We said a few sentences to each other before the light had changed, so I could just, you know, leave. But before I left, I just told bro, I just said, hey, bro, be safe. He was like, yeah, likewise. And you just do shit out of your heart, man. That's all that really matters. But people be doing this shit people be doing this, like helping people all for the internet. And you know, I have my own opinion about it, but at the same time, I ain't judging. And you still helping them as long as you keep it authentic off. When that camera is off, hey, you have my respect. Period. Bottom line. You know. And that even goes to family. It even goes to family, man. It also goes to family, friends, all that. That's a little something I'll give y'all. I don't want to talk y'all I don't want to bore y'all even more, but hey, it's still entertaining to me to even be doing this YouTube journey. Hey, I overcame a lot. Man. This shit don't stop. You know, like my boy G. Perico say, shit don't stop. TMC, the marathon continues. RP Nip. Man, that shit ain't gonna stop. That's all I can say. But go ahead and end the video right here. If you like anything that I have to say, you know, take heed to it. That's one thing I can't say about myself, bro. I'm always taking heed to the advice or the encouragements, or you know, from people. Even telling myself, speaking with myself, take heed of what was said and apply it for the better, man. You do that, you experience what I'm experiencing, and that's a life of peace and prosperity, man. But nah, like, share, comment. If you didn't like it, that's cool. It's all right. And it's your boy Rio, Payroll Rio. Don't you forget it. And I'll see y'all next time.